Okay, so we just parked our car at LAX parking lot. Oh, we got it. I don't know what she got around here, but if you're in LAX, I suggest parking your car at the parking lot, and then they have a shuttle to take you to LAX. And we make an amazing time. Let's go. Amazing. Our suitcases. We're out of here, y'all. You ready? Alright, so our bag is mine is 6 pounds overweight. I wonder if this will make it lighter. So I'm exactly at 50. We're good. She has 2 more pounds to lose. So we got through TSA. I'm just walking. This is a far walk. Trying to get some food. The terminal we're at only have bars. My mom doesn't want to go to a bar, so I'm walking. This is like a 10-minute walk. And then I saw that's the Chick-fil-A here, so we get some Chick-fil-A.
And Rodriguez Reed, Danielosa. Passenger is making me way to gate 14.
After 10 minutes of walking, I made it. Now I'm waiting to order from Chick-fil-A, and look what I see. It shows the story of how everything started with Chick-fil-A and the generations that is running it now and who created it. And I love stuff like this because I want generational wealth one day. That's why I'm working as hard as I am. I just love stuff like this. Okay, so you good? You ate? You good? Yeah, you want to watch a movie or something? I'm about to go to the bar, y'all. You got this. Alright, oh, let me switch this battery because this battery's about to die. I'm gonna switch the battery pack, but I'm about to leave. I fed her. She's gonna watch the bag. Alright, so I'm here at this bar, right? And the bartender, he's like, you look good for your age. I'm like, oh my god, must be really up there, y'all. Okay. Hopefully it's good. Let's see. Oh, okay. Making a mess. Alright, so we have 3 more hours before we board. I'm about to take this, there you go, liquid IV. Put it in the cup right now. You can't see this if I'm at the window seat. 3 more hours. Oh. We don't get out, y'all. We don't get out. Alright, so we finally made the customs. Waiting for, I got my bag. Waiting for my mom's bag. I don't even see it. This is the line for the taxi. And we paid for an event, so we got a wristband at the wheel call. We got music playing for us. And like I said, when you leave the airport, that's all other car rentals. We don't rent cars when we get out here. We got a little tab. Cash. Oh, cash. Thank you. Okay, so you don't want to cause a problem. So this is our room. Okay. Mirror. Okay.
For almost 4,000.
Yeah. Well, at least we get breakfast.
Oh, this is it.
Yeah, I took it.
Okay.
But she gave us two.
Did
She
Oh.
didn't. This is cute too, though. New. My suitcase is so heavy. Okay. Tripod. Alright, boom. Better, I have the tripod up. So, I really want to put on a swimsuit right now. And go downstairs, but I do want to unpack too. The bottles made it. Oh, give me the let me see, how can I? These shoes are so dirty. I need to
Good food. The other folks have good food.
which one's now?
Remember, and we had free food all day.
Oh, yeah. That hotel was nice, but eating all inclusive,
That's not good.
it's not good for us. Cause I ate the most I ever ate in my entire life. I did not like
my
that.
stomach could not go down.
And yeah, mine was backed up too. I did not like that. So I don't like all inclusive.
Yeah.
And the drinks weren't like when you do all inclusive, like the drinks are not like popular drinks, especially when you're out the country. Like they didn't give us no Casamigos or anything like that. I don't know how I'm unpacking, but we're just gonna throw everything out. Alright. There's really no like space for me to unpack everything.
Do my bag.
Yeah, every time your bags are awake, they do it. Toothbrush. Wait, so what's the plans again? So what we do right now? Oh, I should try my phone.
Is your little baby?
Little baby Henry.
Let's see.
Maybe we should eat and figure things out later.
Yeah, I mean, let's go to the beach. I know they have me bed to the beach.
We can find out what time.
You want to do the spa?
She said that's a voucher.
I don't know.
I'm not saying something about a voucher.
This is a beach tally I forgot in my wallet.
I like to see, like I like to see everything. It's not like it's not gonna be good for me. See everything. I have so many tripods ready to go. So basically, we don't even have a plan right now. Is it no outlet over here?
She said just type in the access code. Nothing wrong with stuff.
Yeah, just suppose. And that's good for me because I have a lot of the time I need to connect to Wi-Fi. Alright, I'm gonna eat a snack. But let me show you guys. I kind of unpacked. I haven't did the clothes. I need to actually, let me do my clothes right now. So I'm just laying everything, you know, I'm taking the table. Taking the table. This should be in the bathroom.
What part can I have?
She's so funny. So these are my 3 phones.
All right, add your stuff.
I'm gonna take a shot. I really won't be that person, but I want to see if we can get a different room. We pay for a view, and our view is a parking lot. I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but when I'm on vacation, I want to enjoy literally every freaking thing. You know what I mean? And we paid too much money to not have it. So let's see what they can do for us. And I'm not trying to, like, I'm gonna do a ghetto style when I take the shot. I'm not gonna use their cuss just in case they find another room for us. Just in case. I don't want to use their stuff just yet. All right, so unfortunately there's no available rooms. I had to go down there. She had an attitude too. I'm like, you know what, I had a shot, so I'm like, let me not.
So maybe
let me come
they
in.
feel like since we can.
See, okay, so we paid for, okay, we paid for Ocean View, right? So, and I said, and I was trying to be nice. I said, we paid for Ocean View. This room is not expensive. This room is expensive. And I said, I'm looking at a parking lot, and I think.
Show what you looking at. And show
Okay,
what
this is what I'm looking at. But look, when you go here, look, that's the ocean view that they said. But yo, you know what? It's a lot of people here. Yeah, we'll make the best of it. It's fine. We have to get dressed. You ready?
Yeah.
We'll go downstairs, probably get some food, and then figure it out.
Show them our events.
You think we should just surprise them, or you want to show them? And they need to add me to their promo list. Like, I have a large following. Oh yeah, Mariah Carey and all of them gonna be out here. Let me show you guys. So DJ Envy's out here. If you guys don't know, I'll probably tag him. And he is so extra. He was in first class, and I saw him, and he put his jacket over his face, but he'll be noticed. I'm like, you are not that famous, sir. But this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put on a swimsuit. You better hop in the shower real quick. I'm gonna hop on. I'll probably hop in the shower too then. Yeah, after her. So this is what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna show you guys my swimsuit. I don't know how I'm gonna break up the vlog, but you guys know every time I go on vacation, I break everything up, and it's my travel docu-series, because you know my life is a movie. All right, so I'm about to hop on live right quick, and yeah, we go from there.
Thing that I like to do when I get to a hotel is to unpack and put everything in the closet and try to organize a little bit of like what I'm gonna wear. Because I say a little bit because knowing me, I'm just going to throw everything away. But I have an idea of what I'm going to wear for each day. I'm trying to save the best outfits for like the weekend. You know what I mean? Like Saturdays, Sundays. I feel like that's going to be a good day. I don't know. Me and my logic. But it's going to work out. Do not judge me. So that just fell. This white dress, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to wear this one. I'm going to save this for Saturday. And mind you, I'm going to break everything up in different days like I usually do when I'm on my vacation. I call it my travel docu-series. I say this all the time. So everything's been broken up, and I've sped this up.
All right, so we in our swimwear, my cute cover up. I got this cute bow. I got this bow from one of my mom's vendor. Me and my mom's vendors. Oh my God, I've been drinking out. So me and my mom's vendor. It's so crazy. I kept telling my mom, I'm like, I want a bow for this vacation. I want a bow. And at our pop-up, if you haven't seen that vlog, it's up now. She was selling this, so of course I bought like 4 different colors. All right. I don't know. My mom says it's too many different pinks, but we still gonna rock with it. Because why not? We on vacation. I don't know these people. I don't know them. And they're all older people too. We don't know them. All right, let's go. Hold on. Did I leave this on the charger? Oh, it's fine. We come back upstairs. So this is the outfit. Let me stop turning around. Got my mom, and she invited me on this trip, so with her and her friends, she should know what to expect with me.
Her friends. You know everybody.
I do. Oh, we start. It's that way. How you know?
It's not nothing to be relaxing.
How you know? How yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Alright, so we're walking to get some food.
Unless they've been here
And they know what's up.
and they gonna leave before.
Memorial weekend.
Yeah.
So we're talking about if you don't know about Soul Beach, it's us. It's all us. And you know what? I'm just gonna show you. Oh, it's a lot of wind. Do you want this one or you want that restaurant?
Come here.
Alright, we here at this bar. Mama, say hi. Hi. So we here. We just ordered some food because we need some food. My boat is just flying, and I'm gonna tag her too in this video. I'm gonna tag.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
Buy one, get one free. You know I don't drink, so mine is virgin drink.
I take hers.
So I will keep you guys posted on the event.
You don't eat all the other food. This is what we got. And food came quick, y'all. Like you could taste like the burger. If that make any sense. Oh.
You can do one. Come and see the dog in the hood near you. You don't ask why or what a cool one. Twist up my